Tonight I'm going to show you my shop sound system. So I have a lot of projects right now that are in work but not completed yet and not ready for a video. So this month I decided to show my shop sound system. My shop sound system consists of three components: the speakers, the amplifier, and the Chromecast. The key to making this a streaming system is this little device here called a Chromecast Audio. What it does is it takes the music from my phone, connects through the Wi-Fi network, and allows me to play that over my speakers through the amplifier. The only connections on this are a power input right here and the audio output right there. There's also a reset button if you have a problem with it and you need to have it reboot. This right here is my $20 amplifier, which takes the sound from the Chromecast, splits it into the audio signal, and sends it to my two speakers. On this amplifier, I can adjust the bass, the treble, and the volume. That's about it. But it does what I need. I got two speakers that I put at either end of my shop, which come with mounts that I can mount it directly to the wall and rotate it, pivot it down. I then ran some speaker wires from those speakers back to my amplifier. Let me show you how this works. First of all, I turn on my amplifier. Then I have my app with my station that I want to listen to. I push play on the station, and then I push the casting icon. I listen for the sound, connection sound, and the music comes on. Now all of the control of the song I can still control on my phone wherever I'm in the shop, and as long as I stay on my Wi-Fi network, I can walk anywhere in the house, I can go wherever I need to, and I can still control everything right from my phone because of the way the Chromecast works and the way it ties into my Wi-Fi. When I'm done listening for the evening, I push disconnect in the app, and then I just shut off the amplifier. I like this system because it's simple, it's quick, and it's very reliable. I use this almost every time I'm out in my shop, and I can choose whatever channel, whatever music I want to listen to. I hope you liked this video and you learned something. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know what systems you use to get the streaming sound in your shop. See you next time.